Get it? Water. Comment down below to remind me to film the intro with the eyeshadow on. Thank you guys so much for your help. Today I'm doing a collaboration with just some of the most amazing people out there in this world. This is a collab with Haley, Annika, and Yaz. Yaz, Annika, Haley. Annika, Haley, Yaz. So we're doing a collaboration. I wish it was in person, but you know, hashtag break the distance is just so difficult. So we're all doing makeup looks inspired by the 4 elements. Fire, water, earth. Is it wind? I think. Yeah, I'm doing water because I got that water on my wrist. I got that water. So Yaz is doing fire, Annika's doing wind, Haley's doing earth. They're all really, really good and super creative. Their video links will be in the description. Super icy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup now. Yeah. Hopefully I remember to film this with eyeshadow on. Anyways, okay, let's get started, baby girls. So, I'm so sorry. My eyebrows they're not their best today. They just can't look that good all the time, so they're just taking a break from always looking that good. I'm doing a halo eye. I know those are pretty basic, but I added a little twist at the end. Inspired by water, you might as well drink some water too. Stay hydrated. Remind me to be drinking water while I film the part of me looking at my makeup like all the beauty gurus do, like this. This is water inspired, you know? Yes, oh my gosh, I should have told her to get a lighter. It's so fire. For the first palette I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. Look like this. I'm gonna use this blue with the Morphe M504 brush. I'm going to apply this in my crease. This is the transition color. Me and Kara went thrift shopping, which we're gonna do a thrift haul together. The next video should be up this week. But yeah, we're gonna do a thrift haul. We just got a bunch of stuff from the thrift store. And when we carried the bags back, yeah, I got too much stuff. So my arms hurt so bad. And if you couldn't tell, I don't lift. And I'm just super weak and my arms are like sticks. I just wish I had more friends. I don't have a lot of those. And I'm really bad at keeping friends because I just forget to talk to them. I feel like if you just put more on, it looks more blended. I don't know. Is that just a thing I shouldn't do? Or is that like an actual proven fact? Okay, I think that's fine. I'm done. And then with the Morphe 35B palette, I'm gonna first go in with this blue with the Morphe M518. I'm putting in the crease a little below this one, and then once I start doing that one, since it's not that dark, I'm gonna go ahead and mix these two and do like just go over. So first I'm just gonna go in with that more in my crease, not going too high up, and then I'm just gonna start adding that and then the other blue together at the same time and putting that in the same place. And then by this shade I'm gonna start to blend towards the center of the lid on both sides, the inner and outer corner, but I'm gonna have to leave like a little space in the center. I look super busted. That's just a disappointment. And then I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild brush. This is from their holiday set. Very good. I don't know if they still sell them or not, but it's basically just like a flat sort of blending brush. I think e.l.f. also has one similar to this. I think it's just a little fatter. I'm gonna go ahead and use this blue from the Morphe palette, and I'm doing the same step except a little closer to the crease and then a little closer to the right there, you know. It's not that difficult to explain. I just feel like I sound stupid when I explain stuff. But it's pretty self-explanatory as long as you just watch. Also, why do people do eyeshadow after foundation? This makes zero sense to me. I don't understand the logic. I kind of understand how when you put the foundation on, you want to go around the eyeshadow. That's a little difficult. But like, fallout, when you get fallout on your face makeup, it's over. It's game over. Like, why do you... I just brought this up because yesterday I did it because I was like, why do people do this? Let me see what the big deal is. And it's like, I don't I don't understand. For the last palette, I promise I'm going in with the Morphe 39A. This thing is so fat. I don't understand this. I think it's a good palette, but like, sisters, it's so gigantic. You couldn't ever travel with this. You couldn't ever take this a lot of places unless you're like a professional makeup artist with a fat box or something. I don't know, but it's so big. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M506, and I'm going to use this almost black, really dark blue color. With this brush, I'm just gonna pack on a little more blue in the inner corner because it just kind of missed that spot. I just wanna know where the party at. 24/7 thinking about you. We love kings. Alrighty, kids. Is that from SpongeBob? Alrighty, kids. I wasn't allowed to watch SpongeBob when I was small. That's probably why I have zero humor at all. I wanna know where the party at. 24/7. I look hit. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut the halo eye part. Let me just find my brush. I clean my brushes, update. I feel like I'm getting my life together. Don't wanna jinx it though. I don't know where it's at. I just wanna know where the party at. Okay, I don't know. Sis. Oh, I think I found it. I'm gonna use the Morphe M508 to cut my crease and then a concealer. Oh my god, that's not sponsored. That'd be the most subtle sponsorship. Just like, why is it so focused on it? I put the concealer on to put what I'm gonna. I put the concealer on it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this blue shimmer from the Morphe 39A palette. 24/7 thinking about you. I'm so talented. I'm gonna leave a little bit of the edges of the concealer with no shimmer so I can go ahead and blend the eyeshadow into the halo eye part thing. I'm using the M506 to pack on that really dark blue. I added a little bit of the Now and Zen eyeshadow from Colourpop. It's basically this like kind of white-ish shimmer. And then I'm gonna use the NYX Vivid Brights liquid eyeliner. This is the Vivid Sapphire 05 one. With this, I'm just gonna put a line right where the crease is, like right where the top of the halo eye is. And then I might do some on the center. We will see. With the liquid eyeliner, I kind of messed up on the side right here. I'm gonna see if I can fix that. But I just outlined where the halo eye was, and then I kind of put waves on the shimmer. I'm gonna go ahead and put on lashes. I'm gonna use the Lilly lashes in Miami. I'm only using those because I put blue eyeliner on them. I just finished my eyes. This one looks better, so expect seeing pictures on my right side. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup. Okay, update. I ended up just doing my face makeup off camera because it was so pointless. There wasn't a routine to it. I just kind of put on a bunch of stuff on my face, so it was kind of all the same color. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm gonna use for the inner corner highlight if I can find it. If you end up recreating this, you can always just use a different highlighter. But I decided to use this white. It has blue like specks in it almost. Just doing that for my inner corner highlight and then my brow highlight. And then I'm just gonna highlight the rest of my face. I'll put the products I use down below, but I just use concealer and powder and blush and stuff. I usually don't do these kinds of looks, but if you want me to do more, let me know. So I did gloss because it's like water and it looks wet. So you didn't get that. But yeah, this is what it came out as. I think it looks pretty neat. Looks pretty spicy. You guys should definitely go check out Yaz's, Haley's, and Annika's video. Go check them out. I'll put them in the description. Theirs are probably also very spicy. Also, but yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Adios.